Careful. The third question is the hardest. Which bird can turn its head far to look behind? A. Sparrow. B. Owl. C. Eagle. D. Robin. E. Pigeon. Correct answer is B. Owl. What do we call baby chickens? A. Foals. B. Kits. C. Calves. D. Chicks. E. Fawns. Correct answer is D. Chicks. Which creature has 8 arms and lives in the sea? A. Crab. B. Squid. C. Octopus. D. Lobster. E. Starfish. Correct answer is C. Octopus. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.